Hey guys, I'm Stanley. Welcome to Wedding Munchies. Today I'm at Ashford Estate at Allentown, New Jersey. I worked here before. Let's see if we could live for the hype with all these awesome antique buildings. Let's check it out, guys. From the air, Ashford Estate in Allentown, New Jersey. The main building and beyond it, the Grand Ballroom. This is 30 acres of preserved farmland, and you really can't understand the scale until you see it from above. The floating gazebo over the lake and the water fountain at the estate entrance. The exterior of Ashford, stone architect, formal gardens, and the barn structure to the right. The classic European estate feel start before you walk through the door. And this is the ceremony, the floating gazebo over the lake, with the couple saying their vows. This is the outdoor ceremony the couple specifically choose Ashford for. No stage, no ballroom, just the water and the landscape and the people you love. This is the carriage house. The groom's getting ready space, pool table, leather sofas, a fireplace, flat screen TV. It's got an upscale cabin feel. The groom is not stuck in a generic hotel room here. And right outside, the flower fountain next to the building. The Grand Ballroom, high ceilings, crystal chandeliers, and the tables fully set for tonight's reception. That sweetheart table completely surrounded by floors, and the table settings end to end. This ballroom is elegant without being overdone. Cocktail hour, floor to ceiling windows, sunlight flooding in, and the food station are already set up throughout the room. The food here is Merri-Makers Catering, ICA Chef of the Year. This is a fraction of what was out for cocktail hour tonight. This is the veranda, full bar, fireplace, and the floor-to-ceiling bookshelf built entirely in antique wood. This is the cocktail lounge and the space for the after party, classic warm and old money feel. Ashford also has overnight suites on the property, 12 rooms in total. Walking through the hallways, you get full European estate feel, the staircase, the corridors, the layout. One honest note, the exterior suite door is looking a bit dated. The color and finish could use a refresh, but if you're staying at Ashford after your wedding, you're here for the grounds and the experience, not the door hardware. Alright, how many times have you emceed at the Ashford Estate venue?
Second time, 2 times.
Alright, so what do you think is the best thing about the venue for weddings?
The architecture is old school. It's I guess I don't know what period of time in U.S. history it is, but definitely it's classical architecture, and it's very beautiful. I was taking pictures today before when I came here. I was so impressed by the building.
Okay. Is there anything couples should know before booking here?
The price. I don't know how expensive it is. I really don't know.
So how does this compare to other venues you work in this area?
In this area, Monmouth County, I think I've only done one. That was about a couple of years ago, and it was a newer venue, so the architecture wasn't as ornate and as classical as this one.
Okay. And would you recommend this venue, and who is it best for?
Yeah, I recommend this venue for people who want this kind of ambiance and who can afford it, yeah. So that's the Ashford Estate in Allentown, New Jersey. 30 acres, a floating gazebo, and award-winning chef in a grand ballroom with a 25-foot glass wall. This is a $50,000 plus venue, and it earns every bit of it. If you want a European estate experience in New Jersey, Ashford delivers. Thanks for watching Wedding Munchies. Subscribe for tri-state reviews. and I'll see you the next one.